Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to request a transcript using your Vanguard student portal. To begin, at the top of a new tab, we're going to type in mycampus.asub.edu. Then, at the right of the self-service portal, we're going to click the student portal homepage. Under Login, when I clicked Student Portal Homepage, it took me here right away. That's because it remembered my username and password. If it doesn't remember your username and password, you may have to enter in your login information yourself. Now that we're here, we're going to focus on the left where it says Academics, and then we're going to go down to Forms and click on it. Once in Forms, we're going to click on Records Request Form. On the right, we can see that this is where we request an official copy of our transcript. Once we click the Records Request form, a new form will appear that you will use to request your official transcript. At the beginning, it'll have your information. As we scroll down, we can see that it's going to ask us contact information and then what all we're asking for. We're going to check this box because we're only asking for a transcript request and no other form of records. This box is extremely important. After that, it's going to ask you for at least one recipient address to send your transcript to, and then the others are optional. I'm going to fill it out, and then I'll get back to you shortly. Now that I have all this info filled out, I'm going to scroll to the bottom and hit Next. Once I hit Next, it's going to say that it's validating and saving my form. And then after that, I get a thank you for submitting my request page. Another great resource on finding out about how to send an official transcript is the Registrar's Office page at asub.edu. Once you're there, you can click Request an Official Transcript, and then, as you scroll down, it gives you a bunch of information about ways you can request one: online, mail, fax, in person, or email. During this demonstration, we mostly covered online. That was how to request a transcript using your Vanguard student portal. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.